guys, Mike Bay, Bettendorf Stanford. Got another video for you on this product sealer. Some of you may not have them in your plant. They're also used in all kinds of different industries. We sell them to a lot of different industries. Traditionally, they're used to seal up your Ziploc bags. That way you got your tamper evidence stuff on there, and they will seal up the Ziplocs. We didn't want to go through it, burn through a lot of these, so we found some old bags. This is one of a normal sealer here, and that's usually what it looks like. You got a separation down here. The cut is usually well below the weld or well above the weld line. This one, we made it so you can vary the cut, and most folks that's got these now, they're actually welding it and they're cutting right in the weld, so you're getting that nice, clean, smooth edge there without the extra crinkles in it. We're gonna cut this thing off and unplug it, and we're gonna wheel it over there, and we're gonna take it apart. We're gonna show you how to change the belts in it. We're gonna show you how to change the blade in it, and show you what allows us to make this nice, smooth cut here. All right, guys, we're back again. We've rolled this thing out of the way. It's on wheels. It's adjustable too. You can adjust it to any kind of conveyor or roller anywhere in the plant. A lot of plants put it on different machines for different products. We got it locked out. Got the air off of it. We're getting ready to change it. Jimmy's gonna come here and change these belts. We raise this up. We raise this up. Now you can see where all of this has been added from the old sealers. These belts on the top and the bottom, they actually carry that package completely through the cutting zone. So you're not relying on just the product going through there. We're carrying the product through the cutting zone. The blade configuration has all been changed. So now the blade is adjustable in and out, as well as the slot with the blade in and out. So we can get the cut anywhere in the weld or behind the weld or ahead of the weld, wherever we want it to be. All right, son, y'all remember Jimmy from a video past? That's my son. He's gonna show you how to change the belts here and the blade.
So changing the belts can be done at the machine. It's a toolish change. So the orange eagle belting, you just got a quick tensioner here. It comes off. You have to take it off to change out the Teflon belt. So obviously once that's off, you're just gonna slip past your idler. The belt comes off easy. Back on. Reverse order. The rollers on each end are crowned, so it's kind of self-tracking. Orange belt goes back on. And the idler goes back up.
And if you unlatch that,
yeah,
y'all can see the bottom is exactly like the top, just upside down, so it changes out exactly the same way. You can change these belts out just that quick, right there.
Yep. You know, obviously, bag buildup on the Teflon belts is a common occurrence. A lot of places change them fairly frequently, so we tried to make it as easy as we could. We'll go ahead and get on some cut-resistant gloves here. Show you how to change out the blade. So I really recommend that you go ahead and have a pulley and blade assembled. That way, you know, if somebody puts a wrench through it or whatever, puts a big old nick in your blade, it's easy to change out. You just got one shoulder bolt here.
And that blade is on an air cylinder, so anytime you open the guard, that blade jumps up completely gone there. It's where you can't get yourself cut on it.
Yeah, that way
it's a blade you can always get yourself cut on if you want to.
If you lift up to clear out a jam or some product or whatever, this is not exposed. Okay, so one shoulder bolt, blade and belt comes out together. Of course, it's always harder with gloves on. So if you got one already assembled on the pulley, it would go right back on. Take this back to your shop, put it in a vise, make it a little safer. Three bolts on top.
That's the shortest bolt we got?
Yes.
Always, right?
Always.
Now, there's a lot of these machines floating out there. You wouldn't believe some of the industries that use this heat sealing stuff. Most common in the bakeries is for bagels and whatnot, and a lot of double loaf baggers and will use them.
Old blade comes off. New one goes on.
The way it
Throw
is,
the bolt.
the way it is, it ain't real picky on folds either. It'll seal. It'll seal through several different layers.
Obviously recommend reassembling this with Loctite. We didn't hear.
No, we always use a little blue Loctite on putting it everything we put together. What it costs you, it's free. Of course, if we'd had one of these on the pulley already, like Jimmy was saying, we'd been back and running by now. But you do have to change it at some point in time.
And it's much easier to change this blade in the shop, obviously, where you got a vise and you're not trying to hold it in your hand and getting yourself cut. Back to the machine.
It just goes right on that little boss, doesn't it?
Yep. Put it on there the right way around. So the blade actually goes behind the drive pulley there.
Do you need to put a belt on it first? Or?
No, we can put it on afterwards.
All right.
Drive pulley is aluminum, so you don't have to worry so much about nicking your blade putting it in there. Back on and you're up and running again.
You're ready now. Just close her up. I didn't mention it before, guys, but as always, if we show you something or tell you something to do here that's against the safety practices of your bakery, don't do it. Do it the way you've been instructed and taught. You got anything else to add?
I don't think so.
It's a pretty simple little machine. These are really some nice improvements on it. They help out a world. All right, you guys work safe, work smart. Go home with all the fingers you went to work with. We'll get you another video in a week to 10 days. Thank you.